guys, here we are today, trying a video in English, something new. Today I have an unboxing, something new for me, and let's see, I'm doing an unboxing with one hand, so please bear with me. I bought this from Motocard, okay, and obviously I have already opened it, and you can see what is coming. So let's see over there, and let's open HC, something I've been wanting for quite some time now. Oops. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. Okay, so in here you have what really matters. You have a booklet inside, and you have the pin lock, which I thought would be already installed in the helmet, but nope, apparently not, but no problem. So, without further ado, let's see. Okay, just have to turn this over. It's very nicely. I've already opened this. Oh, who am I kidding? Very nice bag from HJC. Okay, I'm trying to do this with one hand. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, let's see. It's coming, it's coming. I can see the head. So here it is. Okay, wait. Not yet. Sorry, bear with me. Here it is. The Rpha 70 Kroon. Rpha 70 Kroon actually looks pretty good. Very nice. Something fell over. So here it is. Rpha 70 Kroon. Looks very nice. Can't wait to wear it. And well, here it is. Thanks for watching.